Guys, I'm in Westgate right now. You saw me a while ago na lumalakad going to Angry Dobo because that's one of my comfort restaurant whenever I'm here in Westgate. Over the years, kumakain na ako sa kanila. And I get to know their staff kahit yung mga luma pa. And when I got there in the restaurant, sobrang bago yung mga tao. Almost all of them are new in the restaurant. So I ordered just the same thing I used to order back then, yung Angry Dobo na classic bowl. And with my experience, they always put it on a hot bowl. Kaya lang, when they serve it, it's really hot that you don't get to enjoy the food anymore because the rice is really hot na nakakapaso ng dila. So, before, I used to tell them that, can you just put it on a regular plate when you serve it to me? Kasi, sobrang init. Sobrang init talaga. And ilang beses na ako napaso dun sa food nila. And pag napaso na dila mo, you don't get to enjoy the food anymore. So ako, I want to enjoy it and I have to do something about it para makain ko ng maayos yung pagkain ko. So, after that incident, nagagawa nila. Tapos kanina, yung waiter ayaw pumayag, yung manager nila sa store ayaw pumayag because that's the standard daw. Come on, cut the crap, Angry Dobo. Hindi naman kayo napapaso pag sinaserve niya yung pagkain na yon. And there's a reason kung bakit ko pinapalagay on a regular plate kasi sobrang nakakapaso talaga na nakakapatay ng taste yung yung mga, yung mga sa tongue mo na pag napaso yan, you don't get to enjoy your food anymore. How will I be able to enjoy my dinner kung paso na yung dila ako, di ba? Kaya sobrang nakaka-turn off. Nakaka-turn off yung how the people in that restaurant respond to my request and bakit mas nagsistick sila sa standards na presentation-wise, you have to serve it in a bowl. At the same, alam mo yun, hindi naman kayo yung naagrabyado eh. And kami naman yung nagbabayad. And alam mo yun, if ever you wanna place it in a regular plate, you can still make do of it and alam mo yun, kaya nyo pa rin gawing presentable yung food. So disappointing talaga. Sobrang disappointing. Ay, nako. Kaya alam mo, kanina, yung manager, hindi marunong makipag-usap sa akin as a customer. Ay, rather than hearing all the lies and excuses from them, I chose just to leave the restaurant. Ay, disappointing. To be honest, sobrang disappointing. Ang tagal ko na hindi bumabalik sa Angry Dobo, tapos I'm excited to try it again. Tapos, pag try ko pa ganito, ay nako, I don't want to say any last words about it, pero sobrang disappointing lang. So, sana kung nakikita to ng owner na Angry Dobo, I hope you'll be alarmed and alam mo, you guys are customers also. So for sure, you have to do some tweaks here and there just to cater to your customers. Hindi pwedeng puro standards lang. Anyway, I will just check out other restaurants here for to grab dinner. Anyway, yun lang. I just want to share it to you guys kung ano yung nangyari sa Angry Dobo, why I didn't end up there. Anyway, let's just look for some good food and just cheer up. Okay?